Get my clothing line. Check me out. All that imagery, all that. Bruh. We got a heat press over here. This is how we stamp it. That big back, so come on. Look at. Tell me you wanna rock this, dog. Tell me you wanna see yourself in this right here.
991084, please stand by.
Yes, sir. Listen, you hear me? Look, man, you see them lights in the background? We got a photo shoot going. I'm about to show y'all a little glimpse of that. I had to clean the YZ up, get my light out, and we in the middle of the woods. Yeah, this is my clothing line. Check me out. That's right too. You know what I'm saying? I got them green guys on, just so you know I'm feeling like money. I'm sleeve, going crazy. Hood on, please. What that say right there? What that say right there? Yes, Sirski. Man, you can get that. I'm about to drop that link for y'all. I got the store going up. It's going crazy. You did. I got the YZ family t-shirts about to drop. But enough about that. We finna get on into this. Let me give y'all a little preview of this photo shoot. You smell me? Welcome to the inside.
Hey, Gio got the bands, huh?
Hey, what happened? This is the lab. This is where it all go down at. Relax, we're going back to the bike. What we're gonna do today is we're gonna get in here. We're gonna take a few of these teas. I wanna do a new idea for my Squid appeal, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna show y'all, take y'all through the walkthrough. We're gonna go on the computer. We're gonna get the font. We're gonna, all that, the imagery, all that. Bruh. We got a heat press over here. This is how we stamping that product. The varsity print. But as you see, we're just pressing it on now. Yes, sir. Just like that, we done drew it up, mocked it up. You see it, man. Big Squid department on the screen there. Took me about 10 minutes to do that. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take it over there to my burner, drop them down, and then show you how we put it on this shit, nerd. Alright, YZ family, so we done made it back over here to the other side. And as you can see, I got my materials right here. This is gonna give me that gold look. This is gonna give me that red look, of course, and this is vinyl. Smooth it out on there. Alright. Now we're just about to load them into the machine. You dig that? Yes, sir. Take that make it, but yes, sir. See what's going on? Got it printed out. As you can see, I got all my little accessory decaling, and we're ready to rock. I use my make sure I'm on the you did center of the shirt. Ooh, stop playing with them. Yeah. Part 1 hit. Peel like butter, baby. See that? Come up like butter.
Bruh.
Yes, sir. I pulled out the machine. I showed y'all just like that. Look at it. Look at it. Tell me you wanna rock this, dog. Tell me you wanna see yourself in this right here. Come on, man. With the 3D puff print. Killed the game. Killed them folk, man. And so just like that, I just showed y'all how I'm doing my brand. Squid department, man. Links in the description. Make sure you copy it, man. Hood, come on, man. Hood going crazy, dog. Stop playing. But yeah, we about to get back to this bike, because I know y'all like, come on, bro. I have a man that took me into the house. We doing all, yeah, we doing that, man. Come on now, let's get on this midnight.
Fucking with DC.
Yes, sir. So we back outside. You see what's going on, man. I gotta get on these wheelies. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, been lacking. It's something about that power band, man. When I get in that power band, it get a little trippy for me. So yeah, but anyway, so we're gonna get it back here popping today. We're gonna start out with a little first gear wheelie. Just pop up, clutch up. You did, just go up with it. Then I'm gonna take it to the back over there on the other side of the field. We're gonna go second gear, third gear, get a little speed up on it. You did. Today's mission is, let's get YZ, baby. Finally trying to ride a wheelie out, man. I'm tired of going to the lots. You know what I'm saying? The pack going crazy. I'm just recording. But anyway, yeah, y'all see the Yamaha gang, man. Stop playing with me. Follow that YouTube right there. And let's stop playing to go ahead and get on this YZ, baby, man. See, he called you. You know that new spark plug, you gotta fire him up. Clear him out.
Fucking with DC. Boy style.
Alright, going up. That's first gear. So as you see, first gear is real snappy. Gotta be on that brake the whole time. Woo! That more snappy. As I put this electron on and it changes the bottom. So the bottom has a different hit. So it's like you gotta get at the top for it to, you know what I'm saying? But by the time you hit that top, you're in power band. So I'm still trying to get this right, man. You know, been a little challenge for me. But it is what it is, man. Woo, okay. Okay. I like the slow one. I like the slow one. I gotta just stay on the gas. Woo, hoo, hoo, hoo. Yes, sir. That boy gonna throw me over the printer. Okay. That boy thought the feel that boy was not playing with him. What's up, boy? You done snuck out the house? You done snuck out the house? Nothing. I'm popping these wheelies. What you doing? I'm practicing these wheelies. Yup. You tell me if I'm getting better. Gonna go up in second gear. Losing my daylight. Yeah, I like second gear. Yeah, man. I know when I got there and wind it back, that bitch is gonna. Okay. Okay. My scary ass need to lean back some more, that's all. Lean that bitch back, show. Come on. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Boy, that boy will hit that valley point, motherfucker. Stop playing. Trying to get that bitch straight back. There we go. Woo! Okay. Back brake will save your fucking life, boy. Cause it was about to be loop time right there. Yes, sir! Let's stop playing, boy. I'm proud of myself. You know why? Cause I ain't been goddamn wheeling. I ain't gonna cap, man. It looks good. I've been watching the boys go crazy. I just want to get a part of that. I done figured that. Yeah. Yes, sir, boy. Second is here for me. Yeah, man. So that's a wrap on today. As you can see, I've been going crazy. I've been trying to keep it up, man. So I learned, man, I need to keep that wheel up, back brake, ride it all the way up, and you did. And from there, we keep it motion, we keep it going, we keep it rolling. But yeah, man, that's a wrap on today, man. We had a little fun. Y'all make sure to come back, watch the next video, subscribe, like, follow, and comment, please. I need that, you dig? But anyway, man, that's a wrap. And we're gonna get up out of here. Y'all enjoy the rest of y'all day. And I'm out of here, man. The YZ baby, where you did.